Hello, everyone. Today, I've got something really exciting for you. Why is it exciting? Because on YouTube, you'll find plenty of creators showing different AI tools that make short, 10-second clips. But today, I'm going to teach you how to create a full 30-minute AI animated video that looks just like a real movie. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to do it. We're going to do it step by step, easily and completely, using an amazing new AI tool called Videoinu. The best part, we've officially partnered with Videoinu, and they've given me 3 free pro memberships to share with my viewers. So if you want to grab one, make sure you watch this video till the very end, because I'll explain exactly how to win. Trust me. This video could completely transform your AI animation journey and open the door to a whole new world of creative possibilities. All right, let's get started. Now, I just came across a website called Videoinu. Yes, this is not just an amazing website, it is a magical one. It is totally different from other websites. Just click on login and register your account. It's a very easy step. Simply enter your nickname, email address, complete the verification, and you're done. You can also log in directly with your Google account, which makes the process even faster. So really, there's nothing difficult about signing in to this website. Once you log in, you'll be greeted by the beautiful interface of this platform. Right away, you'll see many videos that have already been created using this tool. The video results are truly amazing. Every video looks realistic, high quality, and often very cute. Some even feel like professional animated scenes. But here's the exciting part. Today, we're not just watching these examples. We are going to create a full-length animated video together. And don't worry, we'll make sure to use a consistent character design throughout. So your video feels like a real movie with the same character appearing in every scene. So let's begin. Follow me step by step. And by the end, you'll have your very own complete animated video ready to share. Now we're going to create a full-length video, so follow me step by step. I'll guide you on how to choose the style. Keep your character consistent across every scene. Pick the right voice and language, and export a polished final video. On the left side, you'll see a feature called Nano Banana. This is a brand new, trending feature that you can subscribe to and take advantage of. But for now, let's click on the video generator. Once you click on it, paste the script you generated from ChatGPT. Now let's look at some of the features you can use. You can choose the visual style, like 3D animation, cinematic look, and many more. With the Smart Script option, you can convert your script into different tones, such as adventurous, surprising, or obedient instructions. You can also select the video length and choose landscape mode for longer videos. When you're ready, just click Create. In less than a minute, the tool reads your script perfectly and generates a story preview for you. It also creates a default character. But if you want to change it using your own character prompt, here's how. Click on Character, then click Create. Enter your character's name, choose the category and gender, and then paste your character prompt. No complicated settings needed. Within seconds, it generates an amazing, cute, and professional-looking character for you. Once you confirm your character, the tool automatically generates the entire story with consistent characters throughout. In just a few seconds, it built a story for me with more than 15 scenes, and in every single scene, the character remained perfectly consistent. The story included everything: an engaging opening, a dramatic climax, and a smooth ending. Each scene came with stunning visuals and matching character poses. Exactly as I explained from the start, I used only one tool to achieve all of this, so don't worry. Just follow me step by step, and you'll be able to create your own professional animated AI story too. Now that all the pictures are ready, let's move into the animate section. Here you'll find many different models available, but my choice is the Videoinu model. I also recommend using the intelligent generation option based on prompts. Then simply click Confirm. If there are some pictures you don't want to animate, no problem. You can skip those and choose only the ones you'd like to turn into animated scenes. This gives you complete creative control over which images are brought to life and which remain still. Once I click Confirm, the tool immediately starts generating picture-to-video scenes. The process is very fast and incredibly effective. In just a short time, you'll see your static images transformed into smooth, realistic animations. Another great feature here is the voiceover option. You can change the voice according to your video style. There are many different voices available, from friendly narrators to professional tones. I just randomly picked one for this demo, but you can explore and choose the one that fits your project best. Next, you'll find options for the cover photo setting, subtitles, and background music. You can easily pick a cover photo for your video and subtitles to make it more engaging, and even choose from a huge library of royalty-free YouTube music. This is such an exciting feature because it allows you to preview and select music that truly matches the mood of your video. For this example, I decided to go with no music, but you can absolutely add it if you want to enhance the final result. Now I click Next, and the tool takes just a minute to process everything. Within moments, it generates a complete video. Oh my God, it looks absolutely amazing. Just watch this video first, and then let me know your thoughts in the comments.
The Magical Pearl Adventure. Morning light shimmers on the river as Leo and Mia skip stones. Buddy bounds in circles as the water begins to glow beneath them. Toto rises from the river, calm and gleaming, greeting the children. Toto speaks of the Pearl of Harmony lost in a dangerous cave. Shell gifts bloom into gentle bubble helmets as the kids nod to each other. At the edge, they step forward together as the river glitters invitingly. They dive beneath the surface, bubble helmets glowing in sunlit blue. Glowing coral arches reveal friendly fish weaving playful patterns. A towering maze of giant jellyfish blocks the path. Mia signals to wait. Side by side, they hum, the jellyfish calm and drift into a glowing path. At the shell castle, Toto bows as King Coralus explains the pearl's peril.
I'll be giving away 3 Videoinu Pro memberships absolutely free. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, register on Videoinu, and then drop a comment below telling me what you love most about Videoinu and what you'd like to improve. It's that simple. 3 lucky winners will get full access to Videoinu Pro, so don't miss your chance. Once it's ready, you can simply download your video and enjoy it. There's no need for any extra editing because everything is available in this one powerful tool. So why spend money on expensive software that doesn't even offer these features when you have everything you need right here?